Yucatan, a land where culture meets business. Filled with beauty, history, and vast business opportunities, Yucatan is a modern state, working every day to consolidate its success. Due to its strategic location, Yucatan is one of the major production and distribution centers for the United States, Europe, the Caribbean, Central and South America. Yucatan, showered with such a wide range of competitive advantages, now enjoys a position as one of the most important suppliers of manufactured goods to the United States and worldwide. Many reasons draw investors to Yucatan: world-class services and infrastructure, a top-quality labor force, an incredible local quality of life enhanced by the lowest crime rate in all of Mexico. In contrast to the rest of Mexico and Latin America, the most important reasons to invest in Yucatan are 36 hours by ship or 1.5 hours by plane to the nearest U.S. port. Also, Yucatan is the nearest point between Latin America and Europe. A qualified, stable, experienced, and in constant training labor force. Worldwide unrivaled infrastructure, transport and logistical facilities. Lower transportation costs, calculated at 20% compared to Central America and Central Mexico. Participant in 11 free trade agreements, including the North American Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA, the EU-Mexico Free Trade Agreement, and many others with Central and South America, Europe, and Asia. Regional leadership for its strong healthcare and education systems already in place. Federal, state, and local government incentives to locate any firm in Yucatan. Abundant natural resources, stable geology, and a flood-resistant region. Cultural opportunities recognized worldwide, ranging from a unique local cuisine, exciting nightlife, and famed historical sites such as Chichen Itza and Uxmal. Coming from all over the world, companies small and large have established operations in Yucatan, including representatives of apparel manufacture, auto production, aerospace manufacture, food and beverage production, construction, communications, and furniture factories. For investors, what makes Yucatan beautiful and attractive is also its worldwide infrastructure. Yucatan produces an exceptional amount of electricity, and its residual power is distributed by the 230 kilovolt power electricity network to other states interconnected by this network. Mérida, Yucatan's capital, is completely surrounded by a 230 kilovolt electricity network that runs close to the city's beltway. The electricity network in Yucatan is under constant renovation and expansion. Yucatan has 6,210 kilometers of paved highways, of which 5,846 kilometers are two-lane, and 274 kilometers are four-lane. Also, 154.5 kilometers are toll roads. This road infrastructure has received constant improvements over the years in order to satisfy the commercial demand and efficiently connect the Yucatan Peninsula. Yucatan has a 600-kilometer railroad network connecting Mérida with the National Railroad Network and important municipalities such as Uman in the south, Puerto Progreso in the north, and Valladolid in the east. The coast region of Yucatan borders the east with the state of Quintana Roo and to the west with the state of Campeche. The littoral of Yucatan stretches for 365 kilometers. The most important commercial port is Progreso. It is located 26 kilometers from Mérida and is connected by a four-lane federal freeway. Puerto Progreso has 10 dock positions, with a total length for this effect of 2,407 meters. It can receive ships with a total weight of 36,000 tons. Its warehousing capacity is 7,142 square meters, 1,500 of which consist of refrigerated cargo. The natural strength of Yucatan and the crucial support of the state government have given to investors vast opportunities to do business in Yucatan. This has turned this state into the most attractive place to anyone wishing to succeed. Therefore, Yucatan is a unique place in the world, not only for being a wonderful place to live, but better yet, a wonderful place to live that is also a wonderful place to do business.